From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of dry air ruining your sleep and skin? What if I told you there's a game changer? The LEVOIT OasisMist 1000 Smart Humidifier is here to revolutionize your home's humidity. With its super long 100-hour runtime, you can enjoy a consistent and comfortable humidity level without the hassle of frequent refills, allowing you to focus on what you love. This top-rated and best-selling humidifier is well-reviewed by many customers who have experienced its benefits firsthand. The LEVOIT OasisMist 1000 features health-conscious designs, such as a self-cleaning water tank that prevents mold growth, and an internal water filter that softens hard water, reducing limescale and minimizing mineral buildup, giving you peace of mind with a clean and fresh humidification. You'll also appreciate the space-saving and extensive humidification, which can cover up to 600 square feet with a high mist volume of 350 milliliters per hour, providing thorough humidity throughout the room. In real life, this means you can enjoy a restful sleep without waking up to a dry throat, and your skin will feel softer and more hydrated. The humidifier's quiet operation and night mode also make it perfect for bedrooms, allowing you to sleep soundly without any distractions. Whether you're looking to relieve sinus pressure or simply want to create a more comfortable living space, the LEVOIT OasisMist 1000 is a great choice. With its advanced features and long-lasting performance, it's no wonder this humidifier is a popular choice among those who value a healthy and comfortable home environment. Give it a try and experience the difference for yourself. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.